Hey everyone, welcome to the Academy. Today we are going to be making something very dear to my heart, and that is delicious turkey pepper soup. I know a lot of people don't know that you can make pepper soup from turkey. When we hear turkey, we think of grilled turkey, Thanksgiving turkey. Well, I love to make turkey pepper soup using turkey wings. Why the wings? Because the wings are very tender, they're delicate, they've got the lovely, delicious skin wrapped around it. So I love to use turkey skin to make my turkey pepper soup. So for today's mise en place for our turkey pepper soup, I'll be showing us all everything that we're going to be using for the turkey pepper soup, and then we're going to move over to the gas stove to begin making the turkey pepper soup. I love this recipe because it is delicious, it is easy to make, and you can have it with rice, you can have it with bread, you can have it with potatoes, anything you like. So let's get on with the business of cooking. Ready, cut. I love to cut my turkey wings into bite sizes. Well, not bite sizes, but sizes that are going to cook easily. So this is what my turkey wings look like. And I'm going to run us through all the spices that we are going to be using. By the way, I'm just going to put in all the spices right into the pot, top it up with some water, and take it over to the gas stove. And what do we have here? Dry red pepper. This is kind of hot, but it has a smoky flavor that it adds to our pepper soup. So don't skimp on it. Put your dry pepper. Now I have here my uda. When I make my pepper soup, I make them with all the native authentic spices. So it has that Nigerian taste. So I have here uda. Remember, uda has an after bitter taste. You want to be very careful with the uda. Close that door. Uda has an after bitter taste, so please be careful. So I just put a pinch of uda seasoning there. Meanwhile, the uda is pure uda spice, no mix. Pure uda, 100% blended uda. Uda is also known as alligator pepper. I have here my ahiri blended, also known as African nutmeg calabash. A pinch, more like a quarter of a teaspoon. I have here my Cameroon pepper. This adds some really nice flavor to this. I know you're wondering, why is the salt? Now I'm gonna put in the salt. Always add salt to taste. My salt. And I have here my crushed uyaya. Uyaya seasoning is a traditional spice that is used in making different types of African, Nigerian dishes to be precise. So I have my uyaya. Now, take note of the fact that I am putting a pinch of all of the seasonings because they are very potent. They are all in their raw forms, not mixed with salt and not mixed with MSG, raw form. Hence, I am putting them in really teeny tiny amounts. So now, I'm going to be putting in my chopped onion or my blended onion. The choice is yours. But for today, I want to use some chopped onions for my pepper soup, my turkey pepper soup. If you don't like to see onion in your food, please omit this. Use the blended onion if you do not like to see chopped onions in your soup. So I'm going to be using blended red Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put this in my food processor and I'm going to blend it, and I'll be introducing it to this pot. So I have here my blended red Scotch bonnet pepper, right on time. I don't want it to be smooth, so it's more like I pulsed it because I want to have those tiny flakes. So I want this to be very pretty, very colorful. I'm just going to put some tap water in here, rinse it off, and turn it into the pot. Seasoning cube. Today I am using beef seasoning. Feel free to use chicken seasoning. Just a cube of seasoning. This should suffice. And then I'm going to be putting in just a tablespoon of This is the secret ingredient. Secret ingredient! Don't say I didn't tell you. No one is ever going to know that this is in your soup. Trust me. And the difference is going to be out of this world. Just a tablespoon of blended, good quality crayfish. Just a tablespoon. I tell you, you're not going to tell the difference. You're not going to know it's in there, but it's going to add a whole lot of difference to your soup. So it is time to go over to the gas stop. So we're here at the gas stop. Now remember though, I said I was going to put in some water into this mixer and then shake it and cook our turkey with it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put in a little water now, just so all turkey meat can cook with all of those spices. And when it starts boiling, I'll come back in the next 5 minutes and then put what is left of this. Okay, so let's cover it up and let it steam. Let's see how our pot is doing. This looks good. Let me get a wooden spatula. So at this point, I'm going to top it up with what is left of our stock. Okay. Now we're going to leave this to cook until our turkey is tender. And voila, turkey pepper soup is ready. Let's cover this up. But at this stage, taste for salt, taste for pepper, taste for onions, and all of those ethnic spices. I'm gonna put a bit of salt, just a little bit of salt. Time to put in that salt and then cover up the pot and let it boil until tender. It is time to check. Let's see how our turkey is doing. Looks good. Now, I'm going to top it up with water. You can see that reduction has taken place. So I'm going to top it up with just a little bit of water. But before I do that, I want to taste for salt. I want to taste for seasoning. Ooh la la, turkey is soft and tender, just the way I like it. So now I'm going to top it up with some water because I need to have some, you know what I mean, soup sauce to eat. This is so good. So good. That should serve for two. By the way, I'm making turkey pepper soup for two. Me and my boo. Something for boo and I. Guys, treat your husband well, so the money will keep flowing, eh? Guys, treat your babe well, so she'll keep, you know what I mean. So here we go. Pepper soup. I'm going to be putting in some chopped pepper to spice things up and then to add some color. And I have here my chopped efirin, also known as scent leaf, also known as nchang in Igbo. So this is it. If you like to have a bit of a bitter taste, you can put in your uziza. No, sorry, your utazi. Thank you for correcting me. Utazi has an after bitter taste and it's really nice in pepper soup, but I like it just for catfish. When I'm making catfish pepper soup, I like to put a bit of utazi in it, combined with efirin, of course. But for my turkey, I just love the efirin. So our turkey pepper soup is ready. Enjoy. So let me dish. It's time to dish. Ooh la 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 la. Hey, this looks good, man. This looks good. Not because I'm saying so, but it looks good and it tastes great. There's nothing as good. It looks good and it tastes even better. Baba, I think it tastes even better than it looks. Look at that. You guys should try this and tell me what you think. I always like to see the skin. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Bye guys. Goes for our third building. This plate not being used.